All right, good evening. Welcome to the daily recap of Monday, the 20th of February. So, starting last week, we ended this week, starting on the weekly time frame, so we can form our buyers. I actually watched a good video by Riz today about the high time frame narrative, and as you guys know, as I know, I always do it on my end of the day markups, but I tend to forget about it in the morning and just start base trading on the previous daily highs and previous daily lows are marked on. But actually, I should, like, every morning, as my pre-market analysis, should start on the weekly as well. So that it's something I will start doing from now on. But we know where we are on the weekly, right? We know that we reached the highest, we actually reached the premium of the bearish range. But more importantly, we took these highs, we took internal range liquidity, and that was followed by this slowdown, a strong bearish candle, another strong bearish candle, and another slowdown candle. It's an indecisive candle. It's not telling us that we are going to turn around, but it's neither telling us that we're going down. So we can trade from here and see what's happening. And therefore we go on the lower time frames and we can see the same thing where we first took out on the daily these highs over here, and now we took these lows over here. And by taking these lows over here, we tapped into the daily order block over here and actually this 15-minute POI. But there's not much liquidity still to the downside, so we might see price come down lower. However, Friday we closed pretty bullish after taking that liquidity to the downside. And today was a slow day because it was bank holiday. So overall, we can see price come higher and either expect shorts from here. I don't expect price to come here, but yeah, we don't know. Why not? Because we already filled this for value gap by tapping into these highs, and then we turn lower. But maybe I'm completely wrong, right? So yeah, let's see. Going down to the 4 hour, we can see that last week ended this week with this bearish structure over here, and we had this high down to this low, and that was our most recent range. And then going down, we took that liquidity as set. There's not much liquidity over here, as you can see. And going down to the 1 hour, we can see the price from this internal structure over here. And we broke bullish on that. And not only that, by breaking bullish, we actually took these highs, because that's the point of breaking bullish, right? But from a liquidity perspective, we took the highs and we reacted from this 5-minute POI over here. And that's basically where the move of the day came from. And the only move with like proper volume was during Frankfurt, during London. And if you go lower, we can see the price pushed um Frankfurt pushed price higher, and then London gave us the turnaround after that liquidity. So yeah. And knowing where we are, we can now look for longs over here and shorts over here. These are my charts. Don't yeah, yeah. Going down lower again. What can we see? Damn, this session was dead. Look at that. That's not for New York. There actually are some entries, I guess. Yeah, just about. But no, so you had this structure going on, and we were bullish. But if you like use this as your liquidity, just an idea. Like I wouldn't look for shorts there because I would look for shorts here, and you broke above there. What is this here? Almost what happened over here. We got bear structure, broke above. We can look for shorts. So same thing here. Actually, let's just mark that out with structure. We already discussed this trade in the case study, so I'm not going to discuss that trade again. What I can do is what I will do is before I go do this, you saw the trade. Initially, we had this low being taken as well. Hold up, this low was taken as well. So that low was taken, and then you get your continuation trade from this 3-minute POI over here. And that's your initially order flow trade, right? So that's another trade setup for shorts. But that's it for today. And then price came above this internal range of liquidity. Or I'll delete all this. Oh my God, sorry. And we actually reacted. No, we didn't. So on the 3 minute, we took some internal range of liquidity and came lower. And then actually what we did is we broke higher here. Also, did we react from a 15-minute something over here? No. A 5 minute maybe. No. Not really bothered about this price action here. It's good to know what it does, like, but actually this didn't do anything. It just pushed price up and down. So it gave initially this bit gave price or New York a more discount price to buy from. Took a sorry, Asian liquidity. But yeah, other than that, not much. I will go down in a one main time. I feel like I'm missing out on stuff. So I think we just missed, or we tap to the T. So we got that POI in the 5 minute. And then going down lower. We tapped in, we get our early set. Oh, there's a beautiful trade actually. Well, beautiful is a big word, but so we got a low that leads to this high taken out. So you get your early sellers over here. And then there's not much, but you initially break, you get a low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high, or actually, so this, oh, this low leads to this high, and we break bearish on that level. So you get your minor break over here, your more major break over here. And then you go to the 2 minute. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. And initially your short comes from that block. So 18, let's take 13. So, and if you took it like that, we still wouldn't get shit. So yeah, that's another trade. That's a short, but only 1 to 3. You would go break even after these lows because there's not much to. No, everything is filled. So you'll break even after that, and you will just wait or either close your trade because of the volume. And then for the high, for the long, you tap into this fair value gap over here. But other than that, yeah, we tap into that 5 minute fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap was already tapped in. So that's a fair value gap trade. And that's just a continuation trade. You get your early buyers over here. This low that leads to this high, taking out this high. Then you get your minor break, and you actually get an entry, but there's no order block. Maybe on the 2 minute, yeah, you could use the 2 minute maybe, but then you couldn't see the break, so we break at this high there, and then you have a 2 minute block over here, and with the breathing room, of course, you get in, and you actually get in at 50% of the range. So if you class this as your bullish break, let me go to the 1 minute real quick. It's really minor break. Actually, this is the high that gets taken out. This high. We got this lag. So your long comes from there. 7.6, 7.1. Then it hits 1 to 5. So that's a long. I was at the gym, so I have other stuff to do as well. And we discussed it short, and that's basically it for today. There's not much. We're quite ranging. Let's see if there's any. So there's a lot of news tomorrow. Gotta be careful with that as well. And that's basically it. All right, yeah, that's it. Yeah, not much to talk about. It's pretty straightforward. It's clean. That makes sense. We gotta wait for more moves. I don't think this will be a higher low of the week. I don't think this will be the high of the week. I think this will be taken out. We'll see. We got alerts on, so we're ready. Peace out. This was the recap.